So I'm just done watching the Apple event, WWDC25, and I'm not going to lie, I wasn't really that intrigued about it, but they still announced some cool stuff, and mostly the iPad got the major updates. And excuse my voice, I'm having a cold. So the iPad, they've now made it more like a computer. They've introduced new windows with more window controls. You can make custom folders. The preview app, which is usually on the Mac, is now coming to the iPad OS. And so basically right now, if you're using an iPad, you can be more productive. So right now the iPad now looks more like a touchscreen MacBook. Then on iOS 26, yes, you heard that right. You're not going to get iOS 19. It will now be iOS 26. They were mostly talking about the new design, which features the liquid glass from the home screen to the lock screen, and looks pretty good. My main concern with this is readability issues. And because you might find some backgrounds, the text might be a bit hard to read, but hopefully that will not be an issue. Another update on the lock screen, through the power of the Neuro engine on the A18, when you set your 2D photos as your wallpaper, they will now have these 3D spatial effects, which looks pretty cool, and I'm really excited about it. Then now we have circle to search on iOS. And basically now what they've done is they've extended visual intelligence to the home screen. Then finally on iMessage, you can now see the icons of who is typing in iMessage groups. Some people might not like this, but I really liked it. Then finally on Mac, I was just excited about clipboard history, which I know has been on Windows for a long time. So those are the things that I am personally excited about. Let me know which ones you are excited about in the comment section. I'm not going to be installing the beta version on my 16 Pro Max, but I'm going to try and get a secondary device and install the beta version so that I can test it and also make more content around it.